How's it going? Today I'll show you how to get a couple of amazing spicy apps to your Firestick device in 2025. And first of all, what you gotta do is get the app code downloader to your Firestick. And to get downloader, you have to go to search on your device, open the search bar, and start typing downloader in here. So that's what we are doing right now. And as you can see, there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app because downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So click on downloader, and now that's the app that you gotta get to your device. But after you get downloader, it's not over yet because we still have to set it up. So now in order to actually set up downloader, we'll need to go to the settings by clicking this little button right here with a gear icon, then scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Open it. And now in here, what you have to do is turn on developer options on your Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just have to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you gotta start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install known apps. And now from here, all you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of apps on the Fire Stick. Here it is. And here is the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use, and they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Armenia right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick, we open it up, and then go straight to downloader. So let's open downloader on your Fire Stick. And now in here, what you need to do is go to search bar and start typing in the codes. So the first code will be 9535662. So once again, 953562. That's the first code we're gonna use, and then click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It truly helps me a lot. And now the app already got downloaded to your Fire Stick, so we just click install and wait a bit until the app gets installed. And after that, don't click on open yet, instead you should press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So just click on delete and then delete. This way, you get rid of unnecessary files from your Fire Stick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default, your Fire Stick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now, if we go to the list of apps on your Fire Stick, we open it up, and here's the amazing app which we just downloaded. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. You click on it and then press on Move to Front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online when using such apps. And so that was the first app that we got for you today, but I got one more amazing app. So let's go back to Downloader. Here it is. We open Downloader again. Then you have to click Home, erase the previous code as it is not necessary anymore. And now the second code we'll be using will be 307888. So once again, 307888. That is the second code we're gonna use today. Then click Go, and yep, just like that, we started downloading the second application today. So the process is gonna be similar as it was with the first app. And let's just wait a bit until the download of the app finishes to our Fire Stick. Then you click Install, and just, of course, wait for the install to finish. And then again, we click Done and delete to delete the unnecessary files from your Fire Stick device. And now let's go back to the list of apps on your device, open it up, and here you will find the another app that we got for you. Let's put it up front, and now we got 2 amazing spicy apps on your Fire Stick. So enjoy the apps and see you next time. Bye bye.